Hello and welcome to the RoboRAM Education wing. Understanding the prerequisites is critical for learning about communication systems. Today, we'll look at one of the most crucial terms, OPC. OPC is an interoperability standard for the safe and dependable interchange of data in industrial automation and other industries. It is platform agnostic and ensures the seamless flow of information across devices from various suppliers. The OPC Foundation is in charge of the standard's creation and upkeep. The OPC standard is a set of specifications created by manufacturers in the industry, end users, and software developers. These specifications specify the interface between clients and servers, as well as servers and servers, including real-time data access, alarm and event monitoring, access to historical data, and other applications. When the standard was first released in 1996, its goal was to abstract PLC-specific protocols like Modbus, Profibus, and others into a standardized interface that would allow HMI SCADA systems to interface with a middleman who would convert generic OPC read and write requests into device-specific requests and vice versa. As a result, an entire cottage industry of products evolved that enabled end users to construct systems employing best-of-breed goods that all effortlessly interacted via OPC. The OPC standard was first limited to the Windows operating system. As a result, OPC was derived from OLE object linking and embedding for process control. These specifications, now known as OPC Classic, have seen extensive acceptance across a variety of industries, including manufacturing, building automation, oil and gas, renewable energy, and utilities, to name a few. With the development of service-oriented architectures in manufacturing systems, new security and data modeling concerns arose. To answer these objectives, the OPC Foundation created the OPC UA specifications while also providing a feature-rich technological open platform architecture that was future-proof, scalable, and extensible. OPC, Open Platform Communications, is the acronym used nowadays. These are only a few of the reasons why so many members and other technology organizations use OPC UA as their interoperability platform. That's all there is to it when it comes to the significance of OPC. We hope you understand thoroughly. Take care and good luck.